What is up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing or doing a semi review of the 4 VR bowling, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway in the Discord server for a game code. So all you have to do is go down in the Discord server, click react in the latest giveaway section, and then I will DM the winner. And if the winner does not respond within 24 hours, a new giveaway will be casted and a new winner will be drawn. So if you're entering, please respond to my DMs if you are chosen. So there's really only 2 VR bowling games on the Oculus Quest, and that would be Premium Bowling and now the new release for VR bowling. And as you probably guessed in my last video, if you watched that, I chose for VR bowling for a couple of reasons. And the Premium Bowling had a good run, in my opinion, up against the 4 VR bowling. But the new update just absolutely crushes it, in my opinion. You have the ability to smooth turn and a bunch of other, bug fixes and stuff. But the major update is obviously the smooth turning. It makes it so you can dial in the exact precision that you need, because in bowling, the smooth turning is an absolute must in any VR bowling game. Now the Premium Bowling does not have smooth turning, which in my opinion, it makes it a lot less compelling compared to the 4 VR bowling game. And honestly, they're the exact same price, and they mainly support the same features. I just like the graphics and the smooth turning adjustability and the music better on the 4 VR bowling. Some people may not like the music, and you can always turn that down in the settings. And I just want to thank you guys very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and always, watch your eye, check yourself. Peace.